In today's video, I'm going to share with you what are the electronic items that you must pack along with yourself for your next travel. Along with the electronic devices, I will also give you tips on how to pack them for your flight. So if you're interested to know in details about all these things, stick to this video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel so that you get all the latest video notification whenever I post a video. Also, after watching this video, if you have any unanswered question in your mind or you have any suggestion for this video, then please write it down in the comments below. So all the products will be linked in the description box below. If you want, you can check that out later. So the first and foremost thing without which we cannot travel anywhere is our mobile phone. So carry your mobile phone, which has an excellent camera to support all your pictures that you are going to click during your flight. Also, do not forget to carry a charger which supports your mobile phone. I would also highly recommend to carry extra charging cables. Sometimes what happens is we have a lot of devices, but we are limited when it comes to charging cables. If you carry a few extra charging cable, your problem will be solved. Or else you can also take a charging cable which has multiple points so that you can connect more than one device at one time. So now let's come to the packing tips of these three devices that I told you. One is your phone, another is the charger, and extra cables. So for the phone, mobile phone, please carry it along with yourself. Keep it along with you when you are flying. For the extra charging cable and the phone charger, I would suggest that it's better you put it in your check-in luggage. So you can buy this type of an electronics cable organizer so that you can keep all your electronic devices and the cables that you're carrying with you in a proper way, in a neat way, and put it in your check-in luggage. If you think that I made a mistake by saying that keep your mobile phone charger in your check-in luggage, but later in this video I will tell you why. The next most important thing, especially if you're traveling abroad, you must have this along with you, is an international travel adapter. If you're traveling to a different country, the electronic output on the wall, that could be in a different pattern, so your device plug might not fit into that. For that we need an universal adapter. So be it a domestic travel or an international travel, I always like to carry this adapter, not only one, but I like to carry it in pairs because these are very handy and helpful. So it has two ports where you can connect USB cables, and normal plug-in is also available here. So I like to carry this one along with me for each and every trip of mine. To save space in your carry-on baggage, pack this kind of travel adapter in your check-in baggage. The next most important electronic device that you need to pack for your travel is a power bank. You must carry a lightweight compact power bank which supports your phone, be it an iOS or an Android phone. It must support the phone you are carrying. So it is very important that it is compact in size, lightweight, so that you can save space while you are traveling, and it makes everything very easy. So that means you can charge your phone, you can charge your camera if you have that, or any other device like a small music system or something. You can use a portable power bank to charge up all your devices that you are carrying. So here I have a suggestion which I just found out. This is such a compact power bank that is travel friendly, and the best part about it is it supports most of the phones like Samsung and iPhones. It supports most of the phone that you might carry along with you. Alongside, it has a built-in cable which you don't need to attach, like you don't have to find a cable to connect with it and then connect it with your phone to charge it. It has inbuilt cables. How cool is that? When it comes to packing, make sure that you pack your power bank in your carry-on luggage, because you are not allowed to pack any kind of power banks in your check-in luggage. So make sure you are not putting it over there. And this is the reason why I said that once you have your power bank with you, you don't need your mobile phone charger to be carried in your carry-on. So save your space and utilize the space that is provided to you in carry-on and check in properly. The next electronic device which I have been obsessed with while traveling is this kind of a power strip. This is a slim power strip which is very, very useful. So while we are traveling, we are mostly staying in a hotel, and that might not have a lot of plug points. So when you have this kind of a compact power strip, it helps you to connect more than one device at once. Like at night when you are sleeping and you have 4 or 5 devices to charge, you can plug it in here. It also comes with these USB ports which allows you to charge with USB cables, and it has 3 plug outlets as well. So this is a very good addition, and it will help you charge all your devices at once, and you don't have to bother about, okay, now is the time, 2 hours I'll charge my mobile phone, 2 hours I'll charge my camera battery and all those stuff. You can plug in all your devices at once and charge your devices. So this is the one which I have been using for around 2 months now, and I have found it really very helpful and convenient because of the sleek design it has. And this is called the Li Chuang 1875 watt power strip ultra flat plug extension with USB port. So this is the one which I'm using. If you want, you can purchase it from Amazon. So I would suggest pack this kind of a power strip in your check-in luggage because you will only need it at the hotel. Now if you're somebody who want to carry a camera along with you, be it your professional camera or a GoPro, whatever it is, then here are some things that you need to carry along with your camera. For example, very important, you will need a camera charger, extra camera battery, extra memory cards, and a lightweight tripod. So I have bought a tripod from Amazon, and it is so handy and convenient. Still, it is very steady and lightweight at the same time, and currently I'm using this to shoot this video, and I'm using this for over a year now. I really like the quality. So I will link all my favorite products in the description. You can check that out later. From the items that I just told you, pack the camera and the battery in your carry-on and the rest of the items in your check-in luggage. Now let's talk about some grooming items. Be it a man or a woman, you might need some kind of grooming gadgets along with you when you are traveling. For me, I am very specific. I keep it low, but still I need a hair dryer. I know most of the hotels provide that, but in case you don't have that at hand or you just need it on the go, you can have one very compact hair dryer along with you. For that, I will of course suggest this Revlon hair dryer because this is one of the best compact hair dryer I have ever used. Next is, I personally prefer to carry this Braun mini facial hair remover because this is something very small and compact, and you can keep it in your purse no matter where you are going. It does not take up a lot of space. Even for men, if you are thinking to carry a shaver or something like that, you can do that. When it comes to packing these grooming items, I would suggest that pack it in your check-in luggage, but make sure before packing you remove the batteries of this device. And for hair dryers which are directly plugged into the electric board and used, you don't have to do anything, just pack it properly and throw it in your check-in. So we have reached to our last segment, which is your entertainment devices. So I would suggest carry some kind of a compact music system. I have this Sony, I think it's called SX100 or something like that. This is very small and compact, and you can carry it anywhere. I know these days we all listen to music on the headphone, but sometimes we are in a party mood. Maybe you are on the beach or you are inside your hotel room and you want some loud music. This helps a lot. Along with that, definitely carry a headphone. In most of the places you will need a headphone to listen to your music and other entertainment. And lastly, do not forget to download a few of your favorite web series, movies and things like that from Netflix or other places, so that you can listen to them or get entertained when you are bored or during your travel. So when it comes to packing these devices, I would say that if you're carrying a music system, a compact music system, make sure to pack it in your carry-on because this has an inbuilt battery which you can charge. Of course, you connect it with the data cable and it gets charged, so keep it in your carry-on. Alongside, you will definitely need your headphone in the flight, so pack it in your carry-on as well. So these were all the electronic devices that I prefer to travel with whenever I'm traveling. Alongside, these were all the tips of packing these electronic devices for your next travel.